5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Damage. Party 1. This. Nakamak. Holy shit. Natin na. Kamak.
Wala ba tayong GA? Maganda GA dito. Tapos
Dito GA oh. 1 GA here oh. Maxi, die. Why?
Dito
Ano
ako
tayo
sa
kanina
likod
ka?
mo.
Kidnap siya. Nakidnap siya.
Kaag. Dito kayo guys oh. Dito oh.
Yung nag-engage sa
Kayo mag-gitna. I need 2 more healer. I lost healers ah. They have a lot of spike man. Crazy.
2 healers and party 2 only.
Planes,
tulog.
planes, maldita.
Pabilis guys. Planes. I need healers. For buying time. Party 2 southwest again on the walls. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Dito ka lang mag-engage malakas sa taas.
Sa wall na lang. Okay.
Yo, Dr. Zeus, don't use last shot. Defense. Just lapis 6 again.
Salo.
6 against us. Southwest now. On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On gate now. Big clamp on gate. Delete the gate. That's it. Damage. Come on,
Party 2 ready.
Come on,
Party 2 ready.
Party 2, Southwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Come back. Oh, shit. They almost died. Come back. Huwag ka dyan dumaan, men. Mamamatay ka dyan, ha. Healer. Careful, boys. If you don't have defensive, don't go to gate. Nice stop, boys.
Okay, yes, bato dito. Nice one, thank you.
Tell me your OC, ha. Later. Southwest again, on the walls. Party 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the walls. Come back.
Ayun, layo nung...
Okay, Biancy, huwag mo na ilapag pag hindi abot.
Copy.
Ilapag mo sa akin yan, Biancy. Yung mga hindi na umabot. Go. If you're melee DPS, no need to drop if you can't hit. Just hit with party 1. Party 2, range DPS should drop. Careful kidnap, boys. Careful kidnap, ha. Careful, guys, at the gate. They're gonna try kidnap you, Katon, ha. Don't want you to die there, man. Just go here and stop. Go on my spot and stop them. Don't go to the gate. Don't provoke them, man. Party 2, southwest again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 2. Now come back.
Ready.
Looking. Stop. Southwest now. Ready. Just hold. Southwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Big up, southwest. Delete this.
Demon. May demon
Come
sila.
back north, nice. Kill one. Come back north. Let them push. Come back northwest.
Party two ready.
Get things prepped. Party to southwest. So, on this guy, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this one guy.
I got stunned.
Hindi ba nakita yung isang tao doon sa tabi natin? Fire.
Na-stun ako. Hindi ako nakalapit.
Yes, bro. Nabingat. Spread west, boys. You're clamping yung northeast. Ditang sir dito stop. Nice stop dito ka.
So,
Party 2 southwest. Yo, party 2. This guy. Shit.
Meron sila solo
Party
bomb
2 southwest.
okay.
W2 lang, men. W2. Kidnap.
Maling yung
Wala.
purpose yun, yung bang nila, yung solo.
3, 2, 1. W2.
Golem lang meron ako.
Sige. Yung W2 mo itapon mo sa amin.
Yung ano to, polymer.
Ang polymer pa ba to sa amin mga patay isa?
Para isa.
Tell me see this party 2.
7 seconds. 5. 3. Ready.
Southwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest.
Almost dead.
Come on.
Nice.
Coming up, Liam.
Defense. Hold them now.
Nice hold.
Hold them now. Hold. Southwest now. Everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Pick up Southwest. Deleted. Come on.
One more engage.
Come back northwest. Come back west. Silence. Party 2 southwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South. Party 2. Defensive. You need to pop defensive man. Brawl here. Brawl west.
Ready.
We have the mages. 7 seconds we can engage. Brawl inside. Southwest side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Pick up. Delete it man. GG. Don't Stop, 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 stop.
Stop now, stop now, stop, 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 stop,
Stop,
stop.
stop, 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 stop. Stop now, stop now, stop now.
Gago namatay yun ng
Sa
tatrash
atin to? Sa atin tong loot?
Oh, loot nyo, loot
Sila ba
na.
nag-GG? Okay.
Loot all.
Stop it!
Sila
Stop
nag
it!
sila nag
Sa atin yung loot.